Hello guys, use my phone Motorola Moto G9 Play. Open box, look completion. We have device with protective back cover, documentary, and completion, adapter for charging, micro USB Type-C cable, and a key for SIM slot. Good completion, but without headphones, only protected back cover, USB cable and adapter for charging. On the back side, triple camera LED and fingerprint scanner, device made of plastic, upside headphones jack, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone. On the front side, display and front camera. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, power key and volume key and smart key. Okay, open device, about system. Okay, Android 10 we have, and open tests. Geekbench 5 test. What we have? We have processor Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core 4+4 core, CPU speed 1.8 2.2 GHz, Adreno 610 resolution and display PPA. Okay, results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Under the benchmark results, let's see. Okay, under the results, and we made top 100. We have 95 plays. Run GTA San Andreas thematic game. Settings. About phone. Maximum graphic level. Start. And very good gameplay on this device. In GTA San Andreas, perfect gameplay we have. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main triple camera. Let's see this. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.